you even come up with this stuff? Like, who did this? Hey guys, I'm back with another video today. Today I'm going to be testing viral TikTok makeup hacks. So if you guys like this, see if it's a win or fail, keep watching.
Trying viral eyeshadow hack.
And she is the moment. Come on now.
Okay, so this is just trying 5 different shadows. Okay, and then blending it out. Okay, let's see if this works. So I'm just gonna use my Juvia's Place palette and see if this works. So I don't know. Let me see. Did I do it right? I don't know. Let's see. I'll pack a little bit more. Let's see. Is it working? It's very natural though. But it did blend. It's still natural because I use natural colors. It blended pretty nicely. Let's try the other side and see. Or it actually works. Wow. Okay. Just want to add a little here. Okay, now it looks better now that I added bronzer to it.
In the morning when I wake, in the morning when I wake, and the sun is coming through, and the sun is coming through. Oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness.
Oh, she basically contoured and went like that. Okay, so I don't have that roll concealer, so what I'm going to use is my Too Faced concealer. And she went like that, come down, up, and right there. So I'm gonna use my brush to do it and blend it out. I'm not gonna lie, this actually gives a lifting effect. Actually works. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, it actually gives a lifted effect. So let me just set my makeup, put my bronzer on, and then I come back. Okay, so now I put my powder on. So let's see the next hack.
I saw this TikTok where the person put 3 vertical lines on their lash line, each one getting taller than the last. After that, they just connected those lines and filled it in. Then they created a wing and boom.
Okay, so 3 lines, one getting larger than the rest, and then connect the lines in order to make a wing liner effect. So let's see. 1, 3. Okay. It's a little messy. I feel like it's for beginners. I mean, I feel like I kind of made the line a little crazy. So yeah, for me, it didn't work. It's easier if I just do what I normally do for liner. This was a little bit thicker, so I have to correct it because this is looking a little crazy. So let me just correct this real quick. That's a lot better than before. So yeah, that's easier for beginners. Like if you're beginning out and don't know how to do liner, I think that's a good trick. But for me, it was a little difficult. It's just easier if I just outline and fill it in. So yeah, that was a fail for me.
There's no way that works. I got my lash and glue. So I'm going to apply a layer of lash glue as close as I can to my lash line. Let the glue dry a little bit and get my lash ready. There's nothing. No freaking. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm amazed.
Okay, so let's see if this works, because knowing my eyes. So I've got my lash glue. I got my lashes. So let's see. So I put the glue as close as possible to the lash line. So I let the glue get tacky, and then I place no, that did not work. It did not work. I get it. It puts it in place so it's easier to apply, but it didn't work. So yeah, that was a fail. Okay, so let's see the next hack. Hopefully there's 2 fails already. Like, what's going on? I thought these were gonna be winners, but let's see. Let's see the next hack.
Lipstick hacks you must try. Ombre
So
lip.
ombre lip.
Q-tip for clean corners.
Q-tip for clean corners to do the lips. So
Popsicle lip.
let's see how that works. So, okay. What is going on? How did they even come up with this stuff? Like, who did this? This looks crazy. But we're gonna do it. Like, I can't even get the corners. Like, what? I mean, kinda, sorta, but I guess it's for smaller lips because I have full lips, but I could. I guess that was a fail for me. I'm just gonna stick to what I know. There you go. So that was a fail. And I'm gonna put my gloss on top. And that's it for me. So I don't know about that hack.
If you're still spraying your setting spray like this, stop it immediately. Let me show you a better way to do it. I'm using the Watermelon Glow Mist from Glow Recipe. Take a clean, damp beauty sponge and spray the living hell out of this bitch. Okay, not that much, but you get the point. Once you saturate the sponge, press it into the palm of your hand a few times to really get that product into the sponge. Starting on your highlight areas, you're going to want to press the sponge into your skin very lightly. This is going to give your skin a beautiful glow. Not only is this going to set your makeup and melt everything into your skin, but it's going to make it last longer and really make it look like your natural skin. But we're not trying to fool anyone over here. This is also really good for those girls who struggle with really dry under eyes, because I'm one of those girls.
Okay, so
After this, I don't think you're ever going to spray your setting spray.
I don't have my beauty sponge on me right now, so I'm just gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury mist. And spray. And then press it in. Give it a second. It does look like skin. It looks more natural. See the difference? I like this hack. Yeah. So it does look like skin. It looks really good. It gives a nice glow. I really like that hack. I'm gonna end up using that hack because that hack is really good. So that wraps up everything. Did you guys try these hacks? If so, comment below. Which hack would you use on a daily? For me, I like the eyeshadow and the highlight and the setting spray hack. Those are my 3 favorites, but the other ones, it might work for some, but it didn't work for me. But yeah, if you guys like, please follow, subscribe, and like this video. So guys, thank you so much.